Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is my Curls Cashmere Caviar collection review. And I'm hype because, yeah, I'm just hype. So let's jump on into the whole situation. These products came in my March Curlbox, which was an amazing deal. Within this collection, you get a shampoo, a conditioner, like a mask, a leave-in, a serum, and a gelée or gel, however you choose to say that. So you get those 5 items in the collection, and those 5 items came in my Curlbox for $25 for the month of March. So I'm really happy about that. And let's get into the review. These items are luxury items in my opinion. They have a luxury price tag. They make you feel luxurious. So I was really happy to feel like the price point actually matched what was actually going on, because you guys know I'm a cheapskate and I would hate to come on here and recommend something that is hella pricey and mediocre. But these items are far from that. So the shampoo, it comes first, and it is called the Hair Bath, which is I thought that was a cute name for a shampoo, and it actually has activated charcoal in it, which is known to be detoxifying from my knowledge. So it's supposed to gently cleanse with active charcoal and naturally condition with cashmere and caviar extract, and leaves the hair feeling silky smooth, cashmere soft. When I tell you guys, that was not a lie. My hair was so soft when I applied this to my hair, and when I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft. My hair felt like it had a coating of literally like a soft, silky serum texture. I was like really surprised. It felt like I put in a conditioner. So that's definitely a thumbs up for me. I really loved this shampoo. I was pleasantly surprised, and all these items smell like heaven. Like, they smell super good. Next, I went ahead with the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. A+. This hair mask is supposed to strengthen and smooth your hair, repair any scalp damage, and promote faster hair growth, and of course a healthier scalp. The first few ingredients are water, acetyl alcohol, organic aloe, organic sunflower seed oil, caviar extracts, champagne fruit extract. When I tell you guys, my hair was so soft. And also what happens is, when you put on a good conditioner, it's supposed to absorb into your strands and not have a super white coat over your hair. This treatment soaked into my hair where I could not even see it, and y'all will see in the video clips, I can't even see it on my hair. Like, it soaked all the way up into my hair strands, and my hair was so soft, detangled like nobody's business. Like, I was actually thoroughly impressed with this product. It just felt so good. And these items are supposed to be for type 4 hair. They're made for the kinky hair textures. So the next item that I tried was the Cashmere and Caviar hair serum. It's an oil-based serum. You guys know I usually don't really rave about oils on my channel. I don't care too much about oils. I use them frequently, but I will literally pick up any oil from any brand and smooth my hair. I do have a couple favorites, but this one is about to be my new favorite. This serum softened up my hair, like dead softened up my hair for real, and I felt it coat my strands, and I felt it like smooth my cuticles down. So I was really impressed by this serum. It's supposed to increase growth, and it's supposed to have strengthening, and it's supposed to give your hair some shine, and I think that it did give me shine, and it did soften up my hair quite a bit. I can't attest to strengthening or hair growth as of yet. The first few ingredients are soybean oil, beeswax, organic sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, hydrolyzed cashmere wool, organic caviar extract, and champagne fruit extract. So far, I love this hair bath, I love the mask, and I absolutely love the serum, which that's 3 for 3 off rip. Next, we have the leave-in conditioner. This is supposed to soften, detangle, and moisturize dry tresses with ease. It will change your wash day and have your kinks feeling like silk. This leave-in was amazing. My hair detangled like a dream. It softened up my hair quite a bit. The only thing that I will say, my hair does not look amazing right now, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Why I think it looks kind of like just frizzy and poofy and in need of some more curl defining, hold having products. The leave-in was absolutely softening, and you know, it was a treat for my hair. It went onto my hair so soft, like silk for real. But it was not super duper moisturizing. If your hair is finer than mine or thinner than mine, you probably will love this leave-in. I just wanted and need a little bit more moisture, a little bit thicker and creamier of a product. So the leave-in was not a fave in terms of moisture. Now what I will say is, if I had a butter to put on within the line after the leave-in, I will be in the business. I will be probably having a pop and twist out right now. Curls, can you make a butter, a twisting butter to go with your Cashmere Caviar collection? Because I really wanted to put the Blueberry Bliss twist and shout cream on before I put on the gelée gel thing, because my hair was just like, you know, my hair is thick, okay, high porosity hair. My hair needs a cream to thrive. So putting on the leave-in and then only having the gelée to go on top of that after didn't really do much for me. That's the only con that I will say in today's video. And y'all know I don't hold nothing back. So this is my truth right here. I was like, man, I really wish they had a butter to put on. Because, you know, with a not so creamy, thick leave-in and then going right to a gel, I was like, I need some type of moisture. Although my hair is so soft right now, I know that like by tomorrow it won't be this soft and it won't be this moisturized. This is not lasting moisture. It just feels like day one twist out, my hair is cleansed and has a little bit of moisture, but we need something more. I really can't wait to actually try these products over again and use the Curls Blueberry Bliss twist and shout. I actually love that butter so much. So I think that it'll be a great thing to throw in between the leave-in and the gelée. I don't know if it's gel or gelée, don't come for me. I don't know. So after the leave-in, I went ahead and put on the gelée gel thing, and once again, it felt amazing. These products literally go on your hair like silky smooth. Like, it felt so good that I was sure that I was gonna have a pop-in, life-changing twist out. And even though I don't have a popping, life-changing twist out, I'm not mad at the items. I just feel like something is missing. Let me get into the gel before I go on my tangent. So it is supposed to style while you reconstruct and strengthen your stressed and damaged hair with a light hold and added sheen and definition. I love that they're calling it a light hold, because it is definitely a light hold. It does not feel like a heavy gel that will have your curls defined. So if you want a more defined look, this product is definitely not for you. And as you can see, my hair isn't the most defined you've ever seen it, and if you're new here, it's not really that defined. This gel has water, glycerin, sorbitol, cashmere extract, caviar extract. It smells like you're at a freaking spa, like seriously. So I think I went on enough about the things that I like and don't like, and my only gripe, like I said, was the fact that my hair needs something a little bit heavier to style it with. My hair needs a cream, my hair needs a thicker gel, a heavier gel, if we are going to have a pop and twist out. So only using a leave-in and a gel to style my hair just completely kind of like threw me off, and it seems to be thrown off as well, although she is very fluffy and soft. So Lexi, what should I spend my coins on? Okay guys, what would I drop my dollars on? And that would be the shampoo, the mask, and the serum. And I don't want to mention the serum because it is pricey, and I feel like I never really recommend oils and serums to you guys, but this serum feels good. The shampoo was a plus, the mask was an A++, and the serum just, It felt good. I will try these again with the Blueberry Bliss butter, and I will let you guys know how it came out. So that's my review, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you think my hair looks. Let me know how you feel about the products, if you're gonna buy them, if you're not gonna buy them, if you tried them, if you haven't tried them. Let me know down below all the tea. Comment down below what you think about the whole shebang. The whole shebang. Where do I come from with this lingo? Like the video. It helps me get seen. It helps my videos circulate. It helps me grow and reach 10K subscribers. Have you subscribed? Did you already do that? I hope so, because we are out here, you know? What am I doing? I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Questions, comments, concerns, love, comment it down below, and I will see you guys